Ila-ilahon ta ang bagong teen actress nga mobida sa bagong primetime series sa GMA Network karong 2021. Ug nganong nasud siya sa show business ug unsa ang iyang mga pangandoy sa iranta kauban si kapuso actress Patricia Coma. Maayong buntag Patricia at welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello po, maayong buntag sa tanan, sa lahat po.
Happy 2021 sa iyo at sa pamilya mo, Patricia. Kumusta ang naging holiday celebration nyo?
Po, holiday, food, mga gifts. Pero more on food po.
At ngayon, pag-usapan natin kasi New Year na, di ba? Ano yung New Year goals mo, Patricia, na gusto mong ma-achieve ngayong taon?
More grateful, to be more, to have a positive mindset and a grateful heart.
And Patricia, ngayon, pag-usapan natin itong pagpasok mo sa show business. Paano ka nagsimula at paano ka na-discover dito sa show business?
I started po kasi ever since I was young, binibidyohan na po ako ng daddy ko na sumasayaw. Pat, sige, sayaw, ganun po. Ako naman po, as young as I am, mga 4, I dance, I do whatever my dad says. And then, yun po, sinali na po ako ng mom ko sa mga fashion model sa mga malls, open for everyone. And then dun po ako na-scout, luckily. And then I started workshops, and then TVCs, and then I tried auditions. I tried being a talent, yung mga passers-by, crowd, mga friend nung main character. It was fun. And then, yun na po, as for today, at this time, yun po, bigla akong nabigyan ng big break, which is First Yaya.
Ang galing naman nun. So you started out with small roles and now isa ka na sa
Yes,
bida
po.
ng First Yaya. How do you feel about that na binigyan ka ng malaking project dito sa Kapuso Network?
Hindi ko po siya ma-describe kasi very unexpected po kasi, quarantine, less opportunities, less mga chances. Pero who would have known po, di ba, na this time mabibigyan po ako ng my biggest break. So it's all thanks to the Lord and thanks to Direk for trusting in me.
And talking about First Yaya, let's talk about sino yung magiging character mo dito, Patricia?
The character I'll be playing po is Nicole. Describe ko po si Nicole, short description. Nicole is a very timid girl, very shy siya, pero very easy siya mag-trust. Pero meron namang foundation yung trust niya. Kaya yun, she'll be the very closest one to Miss Yaya Melody, Yesenia.
Gaano kasaya yung buong set nyo during your lock-in taping? And of course, kumusta katrabaho sila si Mr. Gabby Concepcion and Miss Sanya Lopez?
Gaano po kasaya. It's very, very fun po, Ate Cecil, kasi very welcoming po. Hindi lang po yung cast, yung production, sila Direk, everyone in the team. And regarding po kay Sir Gab and Ate Sanya, Sir Gab, kasi big star si Sir Gab, lagi ko siyang nakikita sa GMA TV. Like, in most dramas, nandun po siya. So, very, very intimidated po ako nung first day. Pero as time went on, very down to earth po si Sir Gab. And very, parang tropa-tropa po, parang kaibigan. Ganon. Kaya sobrang thankful po kay Sir Gab for making me feel comfortable. Ate Sanya, she's very fun to be around din po. Miss Sanya, she looks at me as a friend too, parang little sister, sharing her favorite songs sa mga ganyan. Sobrang warm po, sobrang warm.
Kaya naman pala ang saya-saya nyo sa set nyo and we're so excited for you, Patricia. Aabangan ka talaga namin sa First Yaya. So please invite our viewers na suportahan ito.
Gusto ko po sana abangan nyo yung First Yaya somewhere in 2021. I-release po siya. It talks about romance, comedy, and syempre meron ding emotional side.
Aabangan talaga namin yan, Patricia. And thank you for joining us this morning.
No, thank you, thank you.
Ingat ka!
Ingat po, keep safe. Thank you for having me.